I'm Wade Lillegard from Essentia Health Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. I grew up in rural Montana. The tradition there was to, stay on the family ranch and run the ranch. Unfortunately, my family sold the ranch, so that no longer was an option. And I had an uncle out east that was a doctor, and I recall when he came to town, people had all sorts of questions for my uncle, and I realized that we didn't have a doctor, and doctors seemed to be necessary, and so I just followed in his footsteps. I chose sports medicine and orthopedics largely because I think it's very important that people have optimal function. If they have function where their knees work, their hips work, their ankles work, their arms work, then they can actually be active, and activity is really one of the cornerstones of good health. Each patient is unique and they have a context, whether that's their family, their upbringing, where they live, where they came from, and that all kind of ties into coming up with treatment plans and options. If someone's taking care of their loved one and their surgery is not an option for them, you have to take that context and work with them. Somewhat jokingly, I tell them to stay upright, because one of the worst things that can happen to people, especially as they age, is a fall. And so to stay upright, you actually need balance, so that's one thing they work on. You need strength, another thing they need to work on. You need joints that don't hurt. You need to watch out for your environment. You need to wear cleats in the winter. You need to watch out for throw rugs. So there's a lot of things tied in to simply staying upright. I enjoy running in the morning with my few friends and our dogs. That starts out the day well. Then I try to tailor my activities to whatever my family wants to do. I enjoy spending time with my granddaughter. If my daughter wants to go surfing in Lake Superior, I'll go out with her. If my son wants to bake bread on the weekend, we go out to our wood-fired oven and make sourdough for the weekend. The other son wants to go for a long run or a long hike, we'll do that, and I do enjoy travel periodically.